Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Well, let's do a very quick project share. Y'all stay tuned. So yesterday you guys saw me make this beautiful desktop notepad holder as my tutorial, and this was the one that I had already made and that I showed you guys yesterday as well. These are just so gorgeous, and they are beautiful as standalones, but they're even more beautiful when they're part of a set. So that's what I want to show you today, the beginnings of building a set around these. So we've got those. And then I decided that I would go ahead and just make a couple of 4x4 notepads. And that's the project share for today, is to show you how I took these 4x4 sticky notes and mounted them to chipboard and paper and created these adorable little notepad books. And they blend perfectly with our project from yesterday. This just works. You could do 2 of these and this, and you've got a wonderful set to sell. Or you could do 1 of each. You could bring this one back in, pair it with that, and again, you've got a wonderful set to sell. Or you could pair these 2 with that. It all works. The paper is from the same collection, the Hey Mister collection. It all works, however you want to do it. But my goal is to create a well-rounded set for men that you can gift or sell. Either way, whoever gets this is going to be very happy. But these little 4x4s are just adorable. So I decorated them using the Hey Mister paper from My Mind's Eye, and then I used some of my little gear embellishments on this one, and you can find the link to purchase these gears in the description box. And then on this one I had this wonderful little lion door knocker, and I can't remember where I got it. I think I picked it up at Hobby Lobby when they were having a 50% off sale. Can't really remember because it's been a long time. But doesn't that work? Just look at this. This is so stinking cute, upscale, and elegant, but simple and easy to make. And when you open it up, got a nice spine. Then I popped it up with a Hey Mister sticker. Same thing with this one. When I put the gears, I put one of the little stickers from the pad that says Chill Time. And then when you open it up, it says Boss Man. And we've got a 4x4 notepad. And these are just rock solid. So sturdy and so easy to make. So I'm not going to do a tutorial on how to make these because I did a tutorial just a few weeks ago. And that particular tutorial, I have it linked in the description box. So if you're interested in making little pads like these, just click on the description box and you'll see a link, and you follow that link and it will take you to my tutorial on how to make these. I think you'll be very amazed at how easy it is to actually do these, just as I'm sure you were amazed at how easy it is to make something like this. And that's what paper crafting for me is all about. It is taking beautiful papers and turning them into something gorgeous but functional. Everything that I craft, I want it to have a meaningful purpose, and hopefully you guys think that I'm doing that as well. So I want to take you guys along with me as we learn to craft for a purpose, for a beautiful purpose, for a next level purpose, because that's what 3D paper crafting should be all about. So I hope that you guys will watch the tutorial on these and consider making some, because I know that they are great little craft fair sellers. And then when you create a set, you have really set yourself apart from the competition, and that's what it's all about at a craft fair. You need to be different, you need to be better, and you are better when you take projects like this to market. So I hope that you guys have liked this little project share, and I hope that you'll make some of these wonderful little 4x4s to go with your set, whether you're making them for a female or a male. It works. So Y'all have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.